Hello everyone, today I will show you how to keep Snapchat pictures. And here's how it's done. Open the Snapchat app on your phone. You land on the camera screen. Tap your profile icon in the top left corner. On your profile page, tap the settings icon in the top right corner. Scroll down and tap on Memories. Under the Save Destination section, tap on Save button. Choose Memories and Camera Roll. This ensures your snaps are saved both to Snapchat memories and your phone's gallery. Go back and tap Autosave My Story Snaps. Select Autosave to Memories. This will automatically save any snaps you post to My Story and Memories. Return to the camera screen, take a snap, and tap the save icon at the bottom. Check your phone's gallery and Snapchat memories to confirm the snap was saved. And that is everything to know about how to keep Snapchat pictures. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.